Hello, 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 everyone. This is Costas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you how we can add subtitles to any video that we have created with Talking Photos AI. Okay, I created this one, and let me show you exactly how. Uh,
Most people build a website cheap, then get shocked at renewal time. Prices rise, speed drops, and support disappears when you need it most.
You see, this video, it looks amazing, and it was created for my promotional strategy with organic traffic and promoting with shorts and uh, through Instagram and YouTube and TikTok. You know, the point is that uh, Talking Photos AI created the avatar, and I just added the script from OpenAI. Okay, I showed you the whole procedure to previous video. Now the only thing I'm gonna do to this video, it's gonna be just to add a subtitle because I don't want to change the. I can replace easily the background, but what I'm gonna do and what I need to do is just to add over the avatar to have the subtitles because it's in fact the captions, okay? Because most people don't even turn on the sound and they want to read. Okay, they prefer to read from the video. So I'm gonna just click add subtitles, and now the only thing I'm gonna have to do is just to select the video that I want to add the subtitles. I want to select this one that I created before, Free Spirits Promo 1. I'm gonna click select, and you see how easy it's to add the subtitles. The whole system is built into Photo AI. Okay, Talking Photos AI. So I'm gonna just move. I'm gonna select the animated because it looks much better, and I really like it. I'm gonna make the fonts to be very big. Okay, I want it to be very big. I'm gonna put the subtitles not in the middle because I'm gonna hide this beautiful lady, even as an avatar. She's pretty nice, and I'm gonna put it up to the top. Okay, and over here, I'm gonna just edit the transcription. Okay, I have everything ready. I enjoyed that, and I'm not gonna change the background. You see, I can change this background from the stroke color. Stroke color, it's the background from the spoken word, and the text accent color. It's the moment spoken word. So I'm gonna just click edit transcription. The program, the web app, it's gonna ask me if I'm sure that I want to create transcription now, and I'm gonna click yes, I'm sure. It's telling me that and warning me that it's gonna take a while, but in fact, for short scripts, it's not gonna take that much, and you're gonna have all the transcription. AI does that. It's gonna create the whole transcription, and the only thing you have to do is just to confirm and click to create the final video. And that's gonna be the final video because I don't want to change the background, so this is gonna be just the final video. Um, let's give it a moment to create the transcription. The only thing that I can say in the between is that you can create any kind of videos. You see that at that moment I started the video that it's gonna be 9 to 16. It's the dimensions that are used for mobile devices, and and it created this kind of style and this kind of background according to my um, to my needs. Okay, You can even create any kind of video to any size that you want, and um, you can upload it straight to your YouTube channel, promoting or even improve the visibility of your video from YouTube channel. Okay, let's just wait for a moment for it to finish. And as you can see, it's totally ready. You see that it has already created the transcription from my video. I'm gonna just click here www. I'm gonna make it like that. I don't know how it's gonna sound at the final uh, and how it's gonna read all this stuff. I hope it's gonna read it www.fspirits fspirits.com. And now I'm gonna just click save and move on. Okay, I'm gonna click save, and now the only thing I'm gonna do is just to add subtitles. It's gonna ask me to create another video with the subtitles on, so I'm gonna just write subs here and click save. So it's just rendering and creating the video, because I have already the video without the subtitles and the caption, and I'm gonna have one more video with captions on it that it's gonna look really great. Okay, and
Most people build a
let
website
me show
cheap,
you. You see,
then get
even the sound, even the movement and everything, it looks really realistic. In fact, I could easily create a human talking video, but I chose just to create an avatar so that you can see the difference and how realistic and how amazing it can be with 3D avatars and even cartoons. You can create cartoons, or you can create even animal videos talking. You see here, I can show you some animals videos. You see here, my daughter created another animal video. I'm gonna just play it to see that it's really amazing. You see,
Bringing a dog into your life is more than just getting a pet.
it's amazing. And over here, she created. It's one of the videos that my daughter created and added here. It's one more with human. You see? Let me show you how realistic it's.
ASMR is all about creating relaxing sounds that give tingles.
It's really great. Okay. Um, Over here, you're gonna see with you see with the black woman, that black lady that uh, she created, and she really looks great. Let me show you.
La Boo Boo, La Boo Boo is a
Yes, she was playing with the with her toy about Labubu, and she enjoyed it to create something like that. Okay, I believe I covered the whole situation. You saw even the ones. Let me show you here another video that it's created with the subs or the caption to see the final result. You see even here I use the same.
Part A, multiple choice. Circle the correct answer. How many?
You see, you have the caption over um, the body, and it looks really interesting. Um, Thank you very much for watching this video, and feel free to explore Talking Photos AI. You're gonna find the link uh, to the description of this video, and even to the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit this subscribe button and the like button, and stay tuned. I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.